Ever heard of a critter that's tougher than nails? Let me introduce you to the Wolverine. Wolverines are like nature's little tanks. Part of the weasel family, these guys are about the size of a medium dog, but don't let that fool you. They're all muscle, weighing up to 55 pounds with a body built for survival. With thick, dark brown fur and lighter stripes, Wolverines are perfectly camouflaged for the remote forests and tundra of the northern hemisphere. These lone wolves are incredibly strong and can travel miles just for a meal. Speaking of food, they're omnivorous scavengers and predators. Think small mammals, birds, and even deer if they're feeling bold. In summer they mate, but the baby wolverines, or kits, aren't born until late winter in cozy snow dens. Though not endangered, they face threats from habitat loss and climate change. So next time, give a shout out to the wolverine, nature's fierce survivor.